Okay guys, I have no idea if this audio is going to turn out okay or not, because I got these cheap microphones, but basically since I got my service, I've been having some, Himalayan issues, the stalling and stuff. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go out on an adventure and try to find some relays that will fit in this bike. I'm going to go to a couple auto shops and we'll see if they have them. Hopefully they do, so I don't have to order them, because that would be annoying. It's very cold today, so I'm not actually going to be able to ride. So you'll see me driving my car, which is very exciting. But first we have to see if we can actually get these relays out. Oh no! I forgot my key. So I realized when I was in here getting my key that I also might need something from over here. Some pliers. What am I doing? Oh yeah. I forgot. We were trying to get to these relays. There they are. Let's zoom in on that. There they are. One has a blue dot, one has a yellow dot. Gotta get those out somehow. And this is the part that usually people in other videos just kind of skip over, is not showing how they get these out. But, and I understand why, it's difficult to do with one hand. I mean, they're really in there, huh? Oh, I got one. So greasy. Alright, we gotta try to get that other one off. Maybe it'll be easier? Maybe not. Oh. So that's what I'm looking for, I guess. Let's get these cleaned off. And let's see if we can find some in a store somewhere. They're pretty dirty. Relays. Alright, here we are in my car. Can't wait to go to the amazing auto store where they're probably not gonna have what I need. We're on a different camera now, and I am basically making this impossible for myself to edit, which, that's fine. We are pulling into AutoZone. I don't know. Hello, truck man. Okay. I'll park over here. I don't know if they're gonna have what I need. I don't know exactly what kind of auto parts store will have what I need, but I'm hoping AutoZone does. Okay, so AutoZone was basically unhelpful, except there was one guy there that was like, go to the Honda dealership. Car dealer? Why would the car dealership have motorcycle relays? He's like, no, the Honda dealership. But it's not really like a Honda dealership. It's a motorcycle, jet ski, dirt bike store. So I'm going there now, hoping that I can find those there. We'll see. Well, that was unproductive. They were like, yeah, we don't have any relays like that. Sorry. So I just ordered the Bosch ones online that people have suggested. Unfortunately, we are not going to be able to finish today, so catch back up with you guys on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whenever I get a chance to get these new relays in. Guys, look, I got them. They came in. Oh, right into the chair. All right. There's the new one. Here's the stock old one that came with it. So, hopefully these work. We'll see. They go in opposite ways, okay? I got them in there, I think. So we will see what happens. Okay, that's good. The electricity came on. Here, we'll see if we can hear that fuel pump prime. Fuel pump prime. Probably not with all these cars going by. Okay, I heard it. I think it worked. Well, now I have to decide, do I want to take it for a ride today? Alright, well, we're at the bike. Let's see if it still starts up on one. On the first try, I mean. Here we go. Alright. So it seems like that may have worked. As you can tell, I am not at my house. So I did ride it up here, but I sat for a while and let it kind of chill. I do have another issue with my bike that I'm going to ask you guys about in a second. But oh, interesting. It just died when I went into first. Side stands up. Okay, well, maybe it's still acting a little weird, but it started up the first try. Let's ride it around a little bit and we'll talk, and then that'll be the end of the video. So I actually dropped my bike, and this is going to be a different video earlier today, and now I don't know if you can see, it's a second. It will not shift higher than second. So if anybody knows what's going on with that, please let me know. I would very much like to fix. Why did it just die? Okay, so something weird's going on. But it won't go higher than second. We're first now. I think I broke my bike. Okay. There we go. I do not know what's going on with my bike. I don't think it's the relays, because I mean, that seems to have fixed the problem I was talking about. I think maybe this is related to me dropping it. It will not shift up past second. So if anybody, please tell me what's going on with that. Now I'm all nervous to ride it. I would love to get this fixed, because it's supposed to be a warm weekend. Yeah, like I said, comment if you know what's going on, what could possibly be going on with it not shifting past second, and I don't know, leave a like on this video, comment, subscribe please. I want to thank everybody that watched. I got way more views on that last video than I expected. That was awesome. So yeah, thanks guys. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe. See ya.